What are the benefits of investing in custom lanyard designs? Do you ever feel like you're losing business? Both your employees and your customers. Another reason why bespoke lanyard designs are such a good investment. It's a great method to foster employee relationships and bring your team together, no matter where they are. Your coworkers will enjoy coming together to choose colors, create designs, and place orders. It's a fun pastime that will serve as a physical reminder of your appreciation for your staff, as well as a sign of how everyone should work together as a team. Finally, everyone enjoys receiving free gifts. Giving away free lanyards is a fantastic way to show your consumers how much you value their business. You'd be shocked how much of an impact a tiny present like a lanyard can have. Take into account the color, of course. When you're starting to design your own lanyards, the colors you want to utilize will probably be the first thing on your mind. If you only want to develop brand identification, stick to a consistent color scheme when choosing your corporate colors. Did you realize, however, that colors can elicit an emotional response in the individual who receives them? Choose navy blue if you want to create a sense of trust between you and your clientele. Do you want to represent the growth that your clients will experience as a result of working with you? If that's the case, go for a green design. Do you want to show that your company thinks outside the box? Then go for purple. You'll also need to consider which sort of lanyard will work best for your brand after you've settled on the colors. If you want to keep things compact, for example, pick wrist strap lanyards. Look into our recycled, bamboo, and other eco-friendly solutions if you're a company that's serious about becoming green. At an upcoming event, do you need your lanyard to support a name tag or ID badge? If that's the case, a silicone choice will keep everyone happy. Do any of your workers or lanyard recipients perform hazardous tasks? If that's the case, search for adjustable lanyards to keep them safe on the job. Decide on the size and location of your branding. You should start thinking about the finer details of the design now that you've settled on the color, material, and overall purpose of your lanyard. Do you want your branding to be more discreet, or do you want it to stand out? Would you like your company's name to be printed all the way around the lanyard or just on the front side? It's critical to maintain the readability of the overall design in mind when constructing, regardless of which choice you choose. Even the most gorgeous design will be useless if no one can read your company name because you used an illegible font or size. remember that you can include small graphics, such as your company logo, to the design in addition to letters. Talk to your team about which image would help you stand out the most, and remember to consider the size and placement, just like you did with the typography. What's the best place to get customized lanyards? We develop amazing lanyards that you can wear everywhere, whether you're going to a conference, setting up a booth outside of a local soccer game or other sporting event, or simply slipping one into a shopping bag or shipping package. We sell customizable pet leads and collars, camera straps, ID cards/accessories, and much more in addition to lanyards. In other words, no matter what type of impression you want to make or what your overall branding style is, we can help you design the ideal promotional products to help it acquire even more notoriety in the coming year. Contact us today for a no-obligation quote and to see how we can work together to outperform the competition.